window glass, catching my name. Old pictures tucked in a drawer I can't claim. Your laughter stays in a corner of my mind, a small little keepsake I never could find. Come closer, let the day unwind. Set your coat down, leave the weight behind. We all got stories we can't explain, so stay a while with these letters in the rain. There's a table waiting where the evenings sit, unanswered notes, everyone we quit. Your footsteps linger in the wooden floor grain, proof of a moment that still knows my name. Come closer, let the day unwind. Set your coat down, leave the weight behind. We all got stories we can't explain, so stay a while with these letters in the rain. I'd spend them slow, trade every answer for the things you show. And when the world feels loud with its refrain, we make a quiet corner no one can strain. Let the day unwind. Set your coat down, leave the weight behind. We all got stories we can't explain, so stay a while with these letters in the rain. In the rain, street lamp glow on a sidewalk line. I walk ahead, slow and by design, not moving on, just letting it remain. A gentle reminder, like letters in the rain.